Another awesome 3-day trip with this time 6th through 8th grade students. A mixed group from all over the region. We're out for 3 days. We've had rain, river's up a little bit. We've been camping. We're right now catching critters. It's a great time. The Meramec is one of the most biologically diverse rivers, one of the many rivers we use to do education programs. We do high school trips, we do adult trips, and we use the river and the canoes as a tool to get out here and explore a river. What better way to learn about an ecosystem than to spend 3 days on it? The trees, the birds, the water, the crayfish, the fish, the gar, which have been fun this weekend. So lots of fun things and lots of new things every time. We're going to do a real quick practice on our paddle stroke. First thing we're going to do is talk about everything is our sweep stroke. We're going to hold the paddle out at a 45-degree angle. We're going to reach up, we're going to catch. We're going to sweep, big rainbow stroke, and recover, like we talked about. Good catch, big sweep, and a recover. Making sure we engage our center muscle. We want our zippers following, all right? Let's try one more time. Ready? Reach up, catch it, sweep it, big rainbow stroke, out of the way from you, and recover.
Go back!